Uniquely Creative. Today we're opening day number 9.
Day number 9. And guess whose birthday it is?
Me!
It's Pearlie's birthday. Happy birthday, beautiful. Mwah. What is in day number 9 of the Advent kit?
I think it's something like longer. Maybe it's a roll of stickers.
A row of stickers, something. Something long and skinny. Have a look. Is it a row of stickers? Oh, it's a stencil. It is one of our mark making stencils. It's called Grungy Alphabet, and it is a very cool grungy alphabet. I think that'll make beautiful marks on scrapbooking pages and cards. That's very cool. We've got a grungy number one. Now we've got a grungy alphabet one to go with it. That's great. Now we have to rush off because someone's having a party today and we need to go get all organised for Pearl's party. Take off the Christmas dress and put on a party dress. Thanks guys for watching. We'll be back tomorrow for day number 10. Bye.